Hello, this is the Victa enviromower 24 volt DC battery. So I originally bought the Victa enviromower back in 2011, and I've noticed now that basically the charge on this battery doesn't last for long. So I'm gonna try to have a look inside. My research shows that it should be just two 10 amp per hour batteries inside. It's just a matter of disconnecting, and then it should slide out. So now I'm just going to take these two down to my local battery store and see if I can get replacements for them. So this is basically just a shell for two 12 volts 10 amp per hour lead sealed or sealed lead acid batteries. So I've picked up these new batteries from Battery World, and they've taken my old ones for recycling.